In this section, we'll see how to round numbers. Now, in this simple example here, I've got the total family income here. I've got the number of family members, and here I've just simply divided this number by this number, so that gives us the average income per family member. And as you can see, it's lots and lots of decimal points there. So what we can do is we can use the round function to round this off. So maybe we want to just round it off so there are no sort of decimal points showing. In this case, click on Math and Trig, and then come down here. You have to scroll all the way down here to go and find the round function, which is there. So here we type in the original sum, which was C2 divided by C3. And this time we want to round it down to 0 decimal places. So this is going to do the same calculation to get that number there, and this bit is going to round it off. So instead of the 0.333 blah blah blah, it'll round it off so there are no decimal points shown. So I click on OK, and there it is. It's been rounded off to the nearest number. Now you can also round down and you can round up. So in this case here, I'm going to click here and I want to round it down. So again, I click on Formulas here, go to Math and Trig, scroll down to where it says Round Down, which is here. Again, I put the formula in here, so it'll be C2 divided by C3. So that will give me this number here. And this time, I want to round it down to 1 decimal point. So I click on OK, and as you can see, it's been rounded down. In the next example, we'll round up. So again, we go to Formulas, Math and Trig, go down here to find the Round Up function, which is there. Again, we put the formula in there, which is C2 divided by C3. And again, I'll do this to 1 decimal point. So what we're going to do is display this number rounded up to 1 decimal point. And there we go. So in this case, that's my original display there with all the decimal points. Here we've just rounded it down to no decimal points. This one here, it's been rounded down, and this one here has been rounded up.